Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see about different myths about software testing. So, the first one is complete testing is not possible. In reality, it is possible that all paths have been tested by the team, but occurrence of complete testing is never possible. There might be some scenarios that are never executed by the test team or the client during the software development cycle and may be executed once the project has been deployed. So the complete testing is not possible. Testers have an easy life. So testing is not easy but is different. It takes a different kind of effort and sense to become a tester and be successful. So this is one of the myths that people say that testers have an easy life. Next is testing is time consuming. So in reality, during the software development lifecycle phases, testing is never a time consuming process. However, diagnosing and fixing the errors identified during proper testing is a time consuming but productive activity. Next is testing is all about finding bugs. Beside finding bugs, there are several areas that are checked during the testing process. Functional and non-functional requirements are checked during the testing process. So, testing is not all about finding bugs. There are many different other processes also needs to be done while testing. Next is only complete developed products are tested. So this is one of the myth which is wrong. In reality, testing depends on the source code, but reviewing requirements and developing the test cases is independent from the developed code. So, however, iterative or incremental approach as a development lifecycle model may reduce the dependency of testing on the fully developed software. So, we can test the product before or while developing the product also. Next is a tested software is a bug free. This is also one of the myth. No one can claim with absolute certainty that a software application is 100% bug free even if a tester with super testing skill has tested the application. Next is perfect testing is possible. There might be exist some vulnerabilities that can be executed during the testing process and it creates problem once the product is launched. So the perfect testing is impossible. Next one is automation testing consumes less time. So here it is true that automation testing consumes less time, but automation testing can't be performed at every stage of software development and automation testing is only performed after the manual testing. Next is missed defects are due to testers. So this myth relates to time, cost and requirements changing constraints. However, strategies may also result in bug while missing by the testing team. Next is testers are responsible for quality of product. So here testers responsibilities include the identification of bugs to the stakeholders and then it is their decision whether they will fix the bugs or release the software. So we cannot say that testers are responsible for the quality of product. Anyone can test a software application. So thinking alternative scenarios, try to crash or so So thinking alternative scenarios, try to crash the software with the intent to explore potential bugs is not possible for the person who developed it. So we cannot say that anyone can test the software application. A tester with good thinking capabilities needs to test the software application. Next is testers only task is to find bugs. So the finding bugs in a software is the task for the testers, but at the same time they are domain experts of the software. So developers are only responsible for the specific component or area that is assigned to them, but tester understand the overall working of the software, what the dependencies are, and the impact of one module onto the another module. Next is testing is boring. So in reality, testing is not boring or a repetitive task. It is like a detective job. Testing is a process of investigation, exploration, discovery and learning. Next is testers do not write code. This is one of the myth. Here, some people may say that software test engineers do not write code. Tester usually require entire different skill set which could be a mix of Java, C, Ruby and Python. This is not all you need to be successful tester. A tester needs to have a good knowledge of software manual and automation tools. Depending on the complexity of project, a software testing engineer may write more complex code than the developer. So we cannot say that testers do not write code here. Next one is software testers are paid less than developers. It is also wrong. It is one of the myth. No organization are ready to compromise on quality. Organizations are always looking forward to work with energetic testers. An efficient tester can draw more salary than a developer of a similar experience. The next myth is testing is a woman's field. Though there is strong representation of women in the software testing field, there is a mixed representation when it comes to expertise ratio. Plain representation does not mean that a group of can do better as tester in common contribute towards success in their own way. Next one is testers should become automation engineer to progress. So this is also wrong. No, pure brains with a good reasoning and questioning skills are good enough to have a progressive career. It is a rare to find an automation engineer who does the first round of testing on an app using a script. So manual testers can also do better than automation engineers. So it is one of the myth that testers should become automation engineer to progress. So these are the 17 different myths about software testing. Thank you so much for watching the video.